Yeah. Well, he's like, I think he's kind of like his socks falling on often. Good. That's you. You did that yesterday too, remember?
He sunk yesterday when he did.
Yeah, he did better this time. Good. He's so much better when he's not fussing and all upset and everything. Aren't you?
He's like his mom.
Yay!
I'm not crying.
Rainy! Rainy!
Get out.
Rainy, good job! Thumbs up!
He's like, I'm freezing. Let me out of here. At least the water's warm.
The bubble in his chest is helping him.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's part of my idea.
That's part of his idea.
The diaper companies are easy enough to do, but the diaper is going to have to be made with a shirt.
Your tootsie's hanging out. He's doing great.
He's starting to wave lately.
Yeah, that's so cute. His little hands are all over the place.
Dad was working with him
Can
all
you do
day
one more
the
clip
other
off the wall? Let's do one more clip off the wall. Now that you're happy.
day. You're happy.
Now that you're happy.
You're happy keeper.
He does beautifully.
Good boy!
I love that.
He did that this morning. It was so.
I was telling my hairdresser about him last night. I said, it's so cute. He's like,
Who did you say that to?
my hairdresser. I went to get my hair done last night. I was calling him about him. I said, he's so cute. You gotta see him.
Yay! Good boy!
I was talking about you last night.
Well, you did. Mr. Nose